Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect PostHog to Shopify for advanced product analytics, complete guide step by step clearly. To connect PostHog to Shopify for advanced product analytics, start by logging into your Shopify admin panel. Navigate to the Apps section from your Shopify dashboard. Click on the Visit Shopify App Store button to access the app marketplace. In the search bar, type in PostHog to find the application. Select the PostHog app from the search results. Click on the Add App button to initiate the installation process. You will be prompted to log in to your PostHog account. If you don't have an account, create one by following the on-screen instructions. Once logged in, you'll need to grant the necessary permissions for PostHog to integrate with your Shopify store. Review the permissions and click Install App to proceed. With the app installed, navigate to the PostHog dashboard. Locate and click on the Integrations tab on the left sidebar. In the Integrations menu, find and select Shopify. Follow the instructions provided to connect your Shopify account with PostHog. This usually involves copying a unique API key or token from PostHog. Return to your Shopify store and paste this API key into the designated field. Once you've entered the API key, click Connect or Save to finalize the integration. Now, you will want to configure your event tracking within PostHog. Go back to your PostHog dashboard and navigate to Events. Here, you can set up custom. To do this, click on Add Event and provide the relevant details. You may need to add specific code snippets to your Shopify theme to track certain events accurately. Access your Shopify online store section and select Themes. Click on Actions next to your active theme, then choose Edit Code. Add any necessary tracking code to the appropriate liquid file. After adding the code snippets, save your changes and return to PostHog. Test the integration by performing actions on your Shopify store. Go back to the PostHog dashboard and verify that events are being tracked as expected. You can now analyze your product data in PostHog to gain insights about customer behavior. Utilize the various analytics features in PostHog to optimize your product strategy. Regularly monitor the integration to ensure it remains functional and data is accurately recorded. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.